Hi guys.
Adik eh.
Anong adik? Doing Spire. My 3 account. Let's go. Yeah. This is my the Rico 25, the Murderer, and the Rafaela. One archer and 2 mages. One male mage and one female mage. The BR of this account is the archer. It has almost 300 KBR, and this one is 240 KBR, and this one is 190 KBR. Okay, let us continue later. I'll cut this. So we are at level 14 of Spire. Yes. So let's try to manage these 3 accounts. So we need heal. Yeah, and the burn, the bleeding. Yeah. Let's go stage 15. Yeah. We need. Oy. Someone is knocking the door. Let's go, let's go. Still we have 3 life of each account. 3 life. Oops, no. We got the blessed light. We can put a damnation. Blessed light. The armor piercer. Yeah. Damnation again. And what we call the incendiary shot. Uy. There's a buff. Okay. We're gonna go rune. Some rune. Also in this damage, use some rune and the ultimate. Another damnation. Oh. Okay. We need a blessed light. Okay. Stage 17 is coming. Come on up. Maybe we're gonna go AFK with one account. This one. Here we go. So we need to heal ourselves. Oh, he died. Okay. Legendary shot. And Santoria. What's gonna be happen? Can I reach 20 level? Maybe yes, but it's hard. Maybe I can use some help. This one. This one. So now, maybe rune. And this one. The wrath. Yeah. Also this one. Oops. Don't use you. Oops. Oops. We need to heal ourselves. Half-life. FK. Then okay, heal. Damnation. Purifier. Oops, exactly. Another rune, and rune again. Double rune. Damnation. Oops, the damnation expired. Exactly. Oops. Stage 19 is here. Okay. I wanna go heal. We're gonna transform now after healing. Okay. Oops. Okay. Okay. Very good. Stage 20 is coming. Shit. Oops, what is this? The 1000%. Exactly. So we are dead now. One more. Shit. Oops. Donate your fucking life here. Yeah. No. Oops. Okay, we're good. Let's kill this one. Way out. I know it's enter.